Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. It's Casey again. So as you can see, I already did my eyebrows. I just need to clean them up a little bit, and I already put my foundation on, concealer, and I also set my face already. And I know, like, normally during my videos I don't set in, so I do my eyeshadow, but today we're just going to do a natural look. So let me go ahead and grab my brushes, and then I'll show y'all a tutorial on this. And also, when you do this look, honestly, it's for anybody can do a natural look. It looks good on everybody. So because I put my foundation on already and I want the minimal fallout, because I already set my face and did everything already, I'm going to go in with Morphe, and we're just going to play with like browns and burgundy colors and just blend it out really good. So I'm going to go in with Security first. All right, just a second, tap off a little excess. Just go in and blend it up above your crease, kind of into the brow. I like to do it into the brow a little bit, but whatever works for y'all. I hope it's better lighting this time too. I had to borrow my ring light back. My sister decided to take it a while ago, but we shall see. Alright, so just blend it out really good. Once again, this was 24 Artist Pass palette by Morphe. One of my favorite palettes to use. And go in on this eye. And my hair is already done as well. So once I take this off, the video will be done. I just blend that a little bit into the eyebrow. Alright. Okay. So now that we're done with that, I'm going to go in with a lighter shade. I'm going to do this Portrait Nude. I'm going to try that one and see what it looks like. I never used it before, but let's go in with it. I think it looks good. Just let me know what y'all think in the comments once this video is over, if you all want me to do more natural looks and things of that nature. Alright. So honestly, this look should take no longer than 5 minutes. Promise you. Just make sure it's blended well. Look it up if you need to. Alright. Just something really simple. Y'all know I love glitter, so we're going to use this # FOTD. That one right there. And just work this into your inner corner of your lid. If y'all can see that, that looks like really pretty. And remember, y'all, this is like super pigmented, so you want to blend it as well as you can. And y'all know I have small eyes, so I'm going to go in with the white eyeliner on the bottom. As soon as I'm done with this. Some more glitter, just pack it on. Kind of like a cut crease a little bit. I want to say that, but just work it into that inner lid. Alright, and then we're gonna go back in with the brush we used for, I believe it was called the Portrait Nude, and just keep blending it out as best we can. We don't want any lines of demarcation or anything. We want it pigmented as best as possible on our lids. Okay. Alright, just make sure it looks even at this point, and then go right underneath at the bottom. Whatever is left on the brush I use, but if you all like to add more, you can add more. It's just up to you. And then go in for white liner. If you have small eyes, go for black eyeliner on the bottom lid. Always use a sharpener if you have to. Sharpen out the liner. You want it real sharp, like that. Alright. I know some people do use beige because white can be a little harsh, but for this look, it's fine. Make sure it looks good and even. Okay, y'all, so I'm gonna come back with the final look in just 1 sec. I may do a little touch-ups with y'all. Just 1 sec. Be right back. Okay, so let's get into this final look. I put on my lashes. I did the Fenty highlight and highlight. I also contoured. The only difference is this time I used a brush instead of the sponge. I pretty much just used the sponge to blend it out. But like, comment, and subscribe, and just let me know what you all think. Bye. See you all next Saturday.